Hey everybody, this is Mr. Catcom, and this is just a quick overview of Android 4.2.2 on the Nexus 4, the LG Nexus 4. I'm actually using this on the T-Mobile network, which is pretty cool. I have to say, Android 4.2 is kind of the same that's been on the Nexus 7, and I really like it. It's pretty cool. It does have a lot of things that's kind of new to it. We can see that 4.2 has the lock screen widgets. I'm actually using dash clock right now, so you can click that and you can unlock to the actual application. Take that, drag it down, and you can see we have the weather and stuff, and that's dash clock. So if you move over, you have the camera. Let me go ahead and hit back, and it'll unlock to your phone. Now, one thing that I did kind of like, there's a strength and a weakness, is that I love the lock screen widgets, but for some reason, you only have you can only put one widget on at a time. And the reason why I kind of don't like that is that you can see I have unused real estate. It's a 4.7-inch screen, and I don't have anything up here. But it is cool. You can get some widgets that actually do take it up. Like I said, you have widgets like dash clock widget, which actually uses the whole screen when you bring it down. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I like that. I did notice that if you swipe this down and you want to get back, just tap on the lock screen, the little lock button, and you'll go back. So go ahead and unlock and go to the main screen. It's like Jelly Bean 4.1. I do kind of like everything that's in there. It is fast. You can kind of really feel Project Butter going on. When you swipe down, you can see I got a bunch of people here. We do have the profiles. I only have one profile in here. In 4.2, they did add the fact that you can hold down, like, so right now I'm on my wireless. If you hold down, it'll turn it off or kind of toggle things on and off and whatnot, instead of actually tapping it, and then it goes into the actual option or whatever it is that you're using. That's pretty cool. I do like that. As far as speed on the Nexus 4, I mean, one thing that I really like about the Nexus 4 is that it's a quad-core processor, 2 gigs of RAM. On my S3, that was a dual-core, and that had 2 gigs of RAM as well. But I did notice that a lot of times on my S3, I would often have to go inside the quick menu and, get rid of some of these apps if my phone started acting slow. Personally, I have found that, like, out of habit, I would just go in here. But as you can see now, I have tons of stuff running in the background, and my phone is still snappy. I don't have no issues. There's no lag or anything, and I really love that. And I'm pretty sure that has to contribute to not only the speedy RAM that's in here, but the quad core, and I can actually see that show. The phone isn't really faster than the S3 as far as like everyday usages. You don't really notice. I'm not saying like I have a benchmark. I don't really believe in benchmarks as far as I try to look at real world usages, and from real world, the phone flies. I never really noticed that the phone's getting slow. I never really had to come in here, but out of my OCD-ishness, that's a word, I go in and I, clear things out of here. But until then, this thing fills up. Like, I can have about 30 apps running, and the phone still doesn't, skip a beat. I do like the fact that Google Now has a bunch of stuff in it. I'm not going to actually go into that right now, but Google Now works perfectly. Android 4.2.2 is a real nice thing on the Nexus 4. Google, keep up the good work. I really like it. I really haven't installed any custom kernels or anything like that on here. I was kind of waiting until I do this video. So after I've done this video, I will load up some custom ROMs and do some ROMs and kernels and whatnot. I do have Franco kernel on here, but I haven't installed the actual kernel. I just installed it to see how it works. I am rooted and my bootloader is unlocked. But other than that, I mean, the phone is sexy. Definitely pick this up if you need a new phone. I really love this phone. It's awesome. That's all I gotta say. It's real awesome. I have no issues with it. And, I really hope that Android 5.0 is going to be really good. I have a couple speculations on different things, but we'll include that in another video. If you have any other questions that you want to know about the Nexus 4 and the software and everything that comes with it, just shoot me a comment down in the comment area at the bottom. And you guys have a good day. All right? Peace.